Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can end call by using the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. So at first, just be sure that in the Huawei AI Live application, when you open the gestures, you have this option enable. So when we pinch once on the right or the left earbud, we can answer or end call. So right now I'm gonna make a call, and I'm gonna cover this sensor right here because it will be not possible to end the call without covering the sensor, because normally you have to put them to your ear. So let's make a call. As you can see, they are already detected, and all we have to do is just pinch once right here in this place. As you can see, that's how easy you can end call with your FreeBuds Pro 2. It works for the left and the right earbud. So as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.